In this video, I'm going to show you how to get audio from the JOTFORM. First, log into your JOTFORM account. After logging in, you'll see all of your forms listed on your front screen. If you're wondering how you can receive audio recordings from users filling out your forms, you can absolutely do that with a few simple steps. Hover your mouse over the form where you want to collect audio and click on Edit Form. Once you're inside the form builder, go to the left side of the screen and click on Add Element. There are two methods you can use to collect audio from users. The first method is to add a recording button to your form. To do this, switch to the Widgets tab on the left-hand side and search in the search box for Voice Recorder. Once you find it, you'll see the widget appear. Drag and drop it into your form, and the voice recorder will be added. You can also add a description above this widget if you want to guide users. When users fill out your form, they can click on the Record button and use their microphone to record a message directly in the form. The second method is to allow users to upload audio files instead of recording them in the form. To do this, click again on Add Form Element, go to the Basics section, and scroll down until you find the File Upload field. Drag and drop this into your form. You can also write a custom description above this field so users know that they can upload audio files here. Once these elements are added, your changes are automatically saved. To return to your home screen, click on the JOTFORM logo in the upper left corner. Now let's say someone fills out your form and uploads or records audio. Here's how you can retrieve it. From your main dashboard, hover your mouse over the form and click on Submissions. You'll now see all of the submission entries. If the user uploaded an audio file, it will appear in the corresponding field. Click on it, and it will begin downloading to your device. That is how you can collect and download audio submissions from your JOTFORM.